43 counts of murder. Ang sinasabi nila na thousands. Totoo yan, ma'am. Kaya minsan naisip ko, naging kaso lang ba ito dahil sinusulat sa media na thousands ang namatay. I do not even understand paano naging crimes against humanity ang 43 counts of murder na ngayon ay lumalabas. Hindi naman ata totoo lahat yung mga witnesses at yung mga complainants. But that is a thing for the courts and the lawyers to discuss inside. Ano bang pwede nating gawin? Ang pwede nating gawin ay i-demand na ipauwi or iuwi nila si Pangulong Duterte.
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!